membership of QFA, it gives a whole level of credibility to us, which is, I think, key importance.
I think there's a great pool of expertise and knowledge that they are able to provide to prospective franchisors and franchisees.
So the event today covered a number of different areas of franchising, and probably the most interesting for me was the legal side of it. The relationship between a franchisor and a franchisee needs to be developed over a period of time.
There's huge advantages to being part of QFA. So yeah, definitely something I'd like to consider.